What's up guys, it's Kelly and today we are getting into the fall spirit with this very fall manicure. Hope you guys like it. I think it looks so cool and classy. All you need is some striping tape and a few nail polishes, obviously. And yeah, so if you want to learn how I did it, then just go ahead and keep watching. So for this manicure, I am going to use base coat, a nice coppery metallic shade as my base color, and then I'm going to use 3 different purples, just a light, a medium, and a dark. I'm going to list the specific ones that I used in the description in case anybody's interested, but you can pretty much use any brand or any color. You can also use a different color scheme if you want. I just thought the purple and copper worked well together. I'm also using my regular glossy top coat as well as matte top coat to get that matte finish, and a little nail art brush as well as some striping tape, which is super cheap. I got this whole lifetime supply for a couple dollars. So I'm going to start off with my clean natural nail and apply my base coat, and then once that's dry I'm going to go in with that coppery color, and that's going to be the base and what those stripes are made of. So like I said, you can pretty much do any color scheme. This would also be really cool if it was like a silver base color with variations of blue on top. I feel like that would be a little bit more wintry, and I think I went with a pretty classic fall color scheme. So I am going to put some quick dry top coat on that color because we're going to be using striping tape over that, and we don't want to peel up the nail polish. So this is the striping tape that I'm using, and I'm just going to do 2 V's on my nails using the striping tape. So hard to do in front of a camera, so I pretty much did that off camera, but here's me pretending to do it. So there, that's what it looks like. So each different section of the nail is going to have the different color in it. So we're going to start with the lightest on the bottom and go up to the darkest on the top. So I'm just going to lay out the 3 colors on a little silicone mat. You can also use a scrap piece of paper because we're gonna have to work quickly. You want to peel up striping tape before the color dries, so I'm going to show you the trick to doing that because obviously it's a little bit trickier when you've got a few different colors going on. So what I do, I start with the bottom. You can also start with the top, but I will work around the striping tape and go as long as possible without actually having to touch the striping tape. And then once I'm ready, I'm just going to go ahead, hit that striping tape really quickly dip my brush in some acetone, move on to the next color, and then just color in where the striping tape is on the top of the nail with the next color, and then I'm going to peel off the tape and then do the same with that second layer of striping tape. Obviously you don't have to go extremely fast because nail polish does take a couple of minutes to dry, but if you can work quickly enough before the polish really solidifies on your nail, because once you peel up that striping tape it's gonna just not give you as clean of a line. So obviously if you are painting this fast you're probably gonna make a little bit of a mess, which is a-okay because we are just going to clean that up. I am taking this little concealer brush. This is an e.l.f. concealer brush. I get them from Target. It's like $1, and I'm taking some acetone and I'm just lightly running that along the edge of my nail just to clean that up and make that look nicer. I know it's still super lumpy, but don't worry, top coat will fix that. So I use glossy top coat first, even if I'm doing a matte design, because I first want to smooth out the design and make it just one layer instead of all those lumps and bumps, because those do show through with matte top coat. So once I'm satisfied with that, if you want you can keep it glossy. I thought that looked pretty cool as well, but didn't love it as much as I would love matte top coat. So here it looks with matte top coat, and that is the finished design. I'm totally digging this. I feel like I could definitely wear this all fall. You know what I just thought about as I'm saying this voiceover? If you did an orange into red, an orangey color, then a reddish color, then a vampy red color, oh, that would be so pretty too. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of this manicure. Give it a thumbs up if you like my nail art tutorials. Leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!